is why I wake up in the morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's beautiful. I wish I could go over there in the field because it always has fog on it. But there's barbed wire fence all the way. So it's probably someone's property, but it would be cool to do a little like photo shoot with the freaking fog on the field. Rip. I hate fences. Gotta go more rural to find a piece of land where you could just walk onto. Not everyone up your ass about if you own it or not, but also the little lake here is cool too. Got the steam coming off it. Just plain. The photos that I take will be on my Patreon page. So if you want to go check them out, you can go, link in the description below to see my Patreon page and my photos I take. I have got my field. Sometimes it's beautiful in the country. I have to admit. Hi. So, dude. Today, I have so much stuff to do today. I literally did not do a single thing yesterday, which was Sunday. I literally, went to church, hung out with family, and that was it. Played some ball. Watched a movie. I had a great day yesterday. I didn't do nothing. And now it's kind of biting me in the butt. It's Monday. And I got all of this stuff to go through on this bed. Do you guys see what? Just all of this. It's all gear. Okay? It's all equipment. I have to leave in 3 days' time. Actually, make that 2 because the third day I will be leaving at 4:30 in the morning for my trip. So I have 2 days to get everything situated until the time I come back, which will be about a week. And then I'll have another 2 days before I go on my next trip. So I have to pre-pack for every single trip, essentially. So this should be fun. Right. I'm posting a YouTube short. Leave me alone. Because I have to do it. Otherwise, I will not get more people to watch my stuff. All of the platforms and every single thing I can do to maximize my time and be productive and gain and attract an audience that I want. Right. Okay, also I'm trying to find a solution for this. So this is like my little camera case, my point and shoot case, and I've stuck a little Velcro tie on the back of it, and then like a carabiner, because on my backpack, right, I have loops like this, but the issue is that it lays not like that. So I think I'm gonna try to fashion. We're using some paracord to try and tie it back to the carabiner so that it kind of sits up more, so I could just do a quick easy thing like that, or I could tie it down to my backpack, but then I would have to have this backpack as this kind of camera backpack. So I don't know if I want to do that or not. I think I might start with the top and then go from there, see if I need to do any more, but because I always want my cameras out and open, and I don't really want them on my belt. So, and I'm always carrying a backpack when I travel, so when it's just easier if I just have it on the outside, because I don't have anything that's here that I could attach it to on either side. So I'm trying to figure out what I can do with my straps. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken a piece of paracord, I've just kind of tied it in a bow, but I've looped it around the inside, so that I kind of shoved it in the corners, and then tied it around back here so that it would secure the top of this. It's a little better than it was. And then I could just strap it down here through like the little hole down here, and then strap it through this, and then it would just stay there. I don't know. I do have 2 cases, so I could put this one on here, and then I could have this one elsewhere. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have this case strapped on here like this, so I could just boom, and then I'll just have this. I'll put it on like a lanyard. Okay, so here's my solution. I have done it. Boom. Yep. That'll do it. I just have to be careful with this. I have to just like shove it back there. But yeah. Essentially, works just fine. I filmed the video back over there, and like a car drove by, and also like people on a golf cart drove by. They didn't see me because I was literally like blending in with just all my tan stuff in the dirt. So I like that. I think that's cool. I like just blending in and like kind of, I don't know, no one watching me or seeing me, because I'm just making videos out here, you know? I don't know. I just love camo. Is that just so hard to say? I just love camo. You gonna eat a cookie with me, Mom? I've been working on a project all day today. It is 2:51. Wanted to come outside, but it's honestly pretty trash outside. Look at this, check this out. Gray. Should probably take a little walk, little lap around, get the blood moving through my brain again. But yeah, I've just been writing, working on some scripts for some videos that need to get out, especially before all of my adventures happen, which are coming very, very soon. I've packed pretty much fully to the brim. The only thing I need to worry about is food for my road trip. I just need to get some videos lined up, which will be partly today and tomorrow, that I will be working on and getting that stuff ready. I have to do some stuff for my Patreon, and I also have to do something for my OnlyFans. So both of those things I will have to do stuff for before I leave. I should probably put my license plate on my 4Runner because it expires October 20th. Although I'll be back before the 20th, so maybe I'll just carry it in my car with me just in case. Today hasn't been going that bad. Kind of been going through the little motions here, getting stuff done, you know. I have to pack that bag in the farthest in the corner, and then this bag. Those 2 bags will go together. I have this one packed for the stuff I'm doing for my road trip. That bag is for when I go to Jordan. I have 2 more bags upstairs that is going to go on the road trip with me. That's mostly my camera equipment. That's it. I pack a lot of camera equipment for road trips because I have the space to. I probably shouldn't because it's heavy. But I'm going to be doing my little adventures. So at that point, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I also have to deal with some of that stuff over there too. It's dark. I feel like taking a nap and not doing anything and watching a movie, but I know I can't do that. So yeah, we're going to go back upstairs, keep continuing on working on some stuff, and Louie's watching me like a stalker. You know, sometimes it doesn't, my battery's going to die. Sometimes it feels like There's not enough hours in the day to get everything that I need to get done. So then it's like a deciding factor of like, okay, what's the most important thing? You got to do that thing first. It becomes this like constant battle between the things that you got to do, and like you got to pick what's the most important thing. You got to make all these decisions, and it's just like, bro, can I just have extra hours in the day to get this stuff done that I need to get done? You know, picking the importance becomes a lot more crucial in the day than you want it to be, because you wish you could just get everything done that you need to get done. But I'm out on a walk because I'm getting stressed out about which things are the most important. So I'm just gonna go walk real quick and get my mind, my brain, because I've been sitting kind of all day. So kind of get everything checked, and then I'll be able to make a smarter decision as to what is important and what I want to do and continue doing. So been planning a lot of videos, writing a lot of scripts today, working on another project that I'm like halfway through, a little bit more than halfway through, so that's cool. Some days it's like a good thing where it's like, okay, well, it's not beautiful outside, so I don't have to go outside. I could just focus on like the work I have to do inside. And then other times it's just like, well, I just want to take a nap because the world is sleepy, so why can't I be sleepy? I think my brain is hurting from just overthinking so much. But here's the thing though, like sometimes I like thinking. Sometimes thinking is good. And sometimes I love like just deep diving in a topic and that feeling that you get where you're like so immersed in something and you're like, it's just like your soul is in it. But then also like sometimes like when I do that, like I overthink, and then like my brain physically starts to hurt, and I'm like, okay, I need to stop thinking. But the issue is that I can't, so I have to force myself to like listen to something or like, you know, do something so that I'm not like, so I can take a mental break, because like sometimes like my brain physically hurts me and my jaw starts to hurt because I'm just like really fixated and focused and like just in it, and I just need to be like, yo, chill, bro. I think too much, but I love thinking. I think if I were way back in the day, I probably would have been a philosopher, to be honest, because I think so much. What if I just like stealth camped right there in that little gap? What an idea for when I'm here. We'll see. I don't know if like cops patrol this area. I don't know, because they patrol our neighborhood, so I don't know if they patrol this one. Still bruised from when I tried to go donate my plasma. Still bruised. Okay, so I just finished up a live stream. I went to Romania. If you guys want to check it out, it is on my playlist. It is called Exploring Places That I Cannot Afford because I can't. I literally can't. But go check it out. We have a great time. We laugh a little bit, have some good jokes, especially in that episode. Girl, we've seen some chains and whips and dungeons and stuff. So go check it out. It's funny. Probably going to go take a shower, settle down for the night. Today was basically just a big working day. Basically just getting my stuff together, getting my ducks in order. Everything is linked down in the description below, so if you want to find out, you know, all the camera stuff that I film on, all the stuff, that's all affiliate links down there. You can also support me by getting one of my prints and becoming a Patreon. Post videos, photos, journal entries, all kinds of stuff on there. So it's a great time. Everything is linked down in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. It really means a lot to me that you guys take your time out of your days and spend some time with me. So I really do appreciate that. And listen to my ideas and my thoughts and things like that. So it really does mean a lot. And, you know, commenting and liking it and sharing it, you know, it really does help me, and it's free. So I do appreciate that quite a bit. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out. Enjoy life. Live it up.